missing. I think that it's time that I finally come messing around.
Hi everybody. All right, I'm going to be starting to hopefully do some stalls and things. I did do one oh, that sounds funny, last year in summer, and I had this is a display thing for your key rings or your jewellery. It has got like the different tiers that go on it, but it kept falling over, and when it fell over it broke some of my stuff. So I'm thinking, what can I do to make it stand still? So I'm thinking, I've got these glitters, I think they're Temu. I think literally everything I've got near enough to go in things is Temu. So we've got like a purple, a light blue, a pink, an orange. That's a yellow and a green. That's a red, and that's like a white iridescent. I've also got fairy lights. I know, but the way I'm looking at it is I've got to try and make it look appealing for people to even look at. So I'm thinking, there's that stupid word again, but what I'm thinking, because these rubber feet come off, she says, there you go, they come off. So they're going to be actually in the resin. So when I go to put it away, I can take my feet off and I'm left with these. They will have a bit of wire that will go somehow to each one of them. So that when I take it off, I can actually put these in stacked up singly to save space. Otherwise I've got to put it away like this, and that's a lot of space. So I'm obviously use these moulds and being a lazy little moo and not cleared them up. So I'm going to clear my moulds, make up some resin, and I'll come back to show you what I'm going to do. It's very plain, very simple. Okay, so see you in a minute. So I have got my silver. Right. I'm literally just going to brush it on and up around the sides as well. This goes a long way, this stuff. It goes a very long way. Absolutely love this one. It's marble colour from Temu. Right, so that's what I'm going to do. I'll be back when I'm finished. Lost you for some reason. I went like that and it switched off. This must be my magic tricks. So I'm going to just do a very, very thin layer. Enough just to cover the bottom basically. Because then once it has cured, then I can stick the lights in with the UV, and it will stick to the resin then. So that's all I'm going to do. I'll be back once it's cured. Right, this is all nice and dry. I've got my lights and I've opened them all up. Whenever you do your lights, always make sure that this bit is actually under the resin. When I very first started doing resin and lights, I'd always sort of like hang it out, but as soon as these two wires break, that's it, they're no good. So if you keep them inside like so and then glue them down, then the wire can't break because this bit is all protected. So now I've got to work out how I want them exactly, because I haven't got a clue. So I've got my UV, I've got a thin layer of resin, so I am just going to start by putting a little tiny dab in and curing it up, making sure that sits where it's got to sit. Okay, So then I've got to work out how I want the lights. Now, I think if you put them on, you can see where they're going. So I sort of want it. So there's 20 lights on each, I think. So it's 5, 10, 15. If I do 5 lights on each, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 5. And then that's the jump. So I'm going to do this all the way round on all of them, and I'll be back. Oh, Jesus. I do apologise. I didn't press record, or it stopped recording. Something happened. I filled my clear resin up with gold, copper and silver flake foils from Sigwam. I made 200 mil up, and that was just enough to do all of these. They're all in there now, nice and done. I was just going to go around like this with the flame. Not that I'm that bothered, because it's just for my stand. So tomorrow, when this is all nice and cured up, I shall come back and demold it, or demold the leg, hands, feet, whatever you want to call it. Put it together and we'll see what it looks like. And I yet again apologise for me not hitting the record button. Anyway, see you later. Bye. Hiya. Right, these are dry. I've turned off one of the lights. I've put the legs back on. The tube back on, and I have got one of my little turny bits on. So I still haven't worked out how I'm going to make sure that wire doesn't break, so that is a bit of a worry. I didn't think of that when I've done it. I have to put get some sort of sleeve or something I can put over it so it doesn't damage it. That's 2. Oops, sorry, you're getting stuck on the phone. That's 2. This one's full of bubbles, but never mind. It's mine. I don't mind. Right, you have to excuse me. I am bashing the phone to pieces. That's that one. And then that's that one. And hopefully. Right, sorry. You are going for a right old wander. I have, it looks like I've got a couple of bits of silver that didn't come off, but I'm not bothered about that. Okay, so let me make sure you're in sight, which you are. It's still a little bit soft. That light off. Okay, see what they look like when they're lit up. Oh, they're pretty. So at night, that will look really pretty. I've just got to find a way of making sure these wires don't get busted, because it only takes them to bust and that's it. My lights won't be no good. That's the only downfall with putting lights inside of resin, unless you do it into like a cavity that you can get into. Take them bits off, a bit of overflow. Other than that, I'm happy with that. Show you what it looks like all set up. Put some lights back on. Okay, now obviously, you know, I work in my bathroom. So you're going to have to excuse the fact that you can see the toilet system. Okay. So that is what it looks like. And you just put all your bits and pieces on how you want it. Oh, they're not done up very tight. I've just put them on just quickly. But that's how it goes. I think that's quite sweet. I have got another one that goes in the middle more, but I can't find this bit to it at the moment. There's a bit missing here, so I can't actually put it in. But that is what they look like, and I am happy with that. Okay. Yeah. Anyway. Hello, I'm back on camera. You haven't seen my mug for a while, unless it was to wish you a happy Christmas and everything. Say hello, Nala. Right, if you like that one, please give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel to grow, and then I know whether you like it or you don't. If you don't like it, give me a thumbs down. It's fine by me. I'm not bothered. Leave me a comment. I'll always get back to you. Always say thank you for you to comment and everything. And people who do comment, I really do appreciate it. Thank you very much. Share. If you think somebody else would like to see this video, please share. It's I think it's quite a good little idea, because as I said to you during the video, when I was doing the sale, the wind took it and it actually broke some of my stuff. So that really annoyed me. Hopefully, with the little stands that I've made on the bottom, it shouldn't happen again, hopefully. So yeah, so if you think somebody would like to see how to do that, please share it, or an idea for them, please share it. Hit the notification bell. Hit the notification bell, and then you will know when I've uploaded. Sometimes I found with mine, I have to untick the bell and retick it, because I'm not getting notifications. And then I watch YouTube through my telly, not the phone, and I find that it comes up with subscriptions, and I'm thinking, well, I haven't seen that one come up, that notification come up. So yeah, so if you're not getting notifications for your program, your channels, whatever, sorry, I'm blabbling. Unclick it, re-click it, and what's the rest of it? Subscribe. I would like to say thank you to everybody that has subscribed. I'm gobsmacked. I've reached over 700 subscribers. Never thought I'd do that. Never in a million years did I think I'd ever get to 700. I have struggled. As you know, I've struggled. I've been doing this channel now for 4 years, I think. But I'm not one that's gonna... I do put the odd shorts up. Not all the time. All of a sudden I have a spate and I'll put some shorts up. I'm not one of these people that sort of like try to advertise myself everywhere, which I should do really, because it would help me get my subscribers. But those who have subscribed, thank you so much, and egg other people to subscribe to me. If you haven't, sorry, please do. It doesn't cost you anything, and you'll see my ugly mug every now and again, and you'll see what I create, whether it's good, whether I think it's naff. You'll see it. I don't very often not put videos up because they haven't turned out. Usually I'll put everything up. I think that's it. I think that's all there is to it. So yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this one. It was fun making it. I've just got to work out how to do them wires. If you've got any ideas, please leave me a comment. Let me know how you think I should secure the wires, because they are going to get broken if I'm not careful, and then the lights will be no good, because I didn't think of that when I was making it, but that's me all over. I have one thing in my head and it usually goes wrong. Anyway, thank you very much, and I'll see you again soon. Ta-da! Say bye-bye, Nala. No, you're not going to say goodbye. Say bye-bye, Nala. Thank you. Bye-bye.